Now comes how to create a mock server. You can create mock server in Swagger. You can create mock server in Postman. And believe me, these two are most popular frameworks or platforms or applications that are heavily used in order to do test of your services. It facilitates you with various different facilities. Now, what all are those facilities? That is what we need to, understand, and then we will move forward. So let me take you through a bit of Postman, and you can have some hands-on on Postman today so that, it's clear with you how actually you will be creating mock server. See, objective is just to create a mock server, right? And once you understand mock server and Mockito, believe me, WireMock, which is the most popular tool to test your microservices or to test your RESTful services with mocking, you will be able to work with that. I will be doing it, and don't worry, after I am done, I will share you a link. You can follow that link in order to complete it at your end as well. Okay, so I will launch my Postman. If you see, this is what is my Postman. I'll close this all. Don't save. If you see, you have collection, you have API, you have environment, you have mock server, you have monitor, you have flow, you have history, right? Now, Postman has become powerful. You know why? Because it has added scripting capability also. And there it uses scripting of Node.js. I mean to say, if you're aware about Node.js, believe me, you can use it in a very powerful way. So now what you need to do in order to create a mock server. Now, first of all, you need to set up some basics that are required for mock server in order to, utilize mock server. So if you see, if I go to collection, I have some collections already ready here, right? Now, Postman echo is there. Now, if I go to auth, now these all are APIs, get calls. Then you have cookies, right? So all these are sample get calls. I'll just go to one and I'll try to make call to it by clicking on send. Now, once I send, it will send and it will say unauthorized because I need to go and I need to punch in some key and value here. Fine. So now I'll go and I will just go to a request method and I have a get request. And if you see, this is a simple test. I'll click on send. Now, once I send, you will get the output. And what is the output? It tells you about, the service, right? So whoever has written service, they might have written, okay, if your URI will have, /test as resource, and if value is 1, 2, 3, it is returning a JSON. Okay, and this JSON contains your args, it contains a header, it contains URL. Now, similarly, you can post some raw data. So it provides you full API. So I'm sure if you are from API background, you might have worked with this, but these are some of the call. Now, if you have to save request, whatever you have made, for example, we have made this request, right? You can send and you can download.